Wait for this bad boy to load up, Come on. Oh man. Happy Friday. All right, I think we rolling right now. Awesome, awesome. Hey, what's going on, guys? Beast Mode Brandon back again. Happy Friday. Hey, it was another blessed week in the market. Another great one. Tons of people made some money this week, trading the same pattern, the same plan, um, over and over and over again. And really, simplified trading is one that comes in and trades the same thing over. I need to mute this. All right, there we go. This an expert trader is one that comes in and trades the same patterns and setups over and over and over again. Whether you want to trade stock options, futures, we do this every single day. We lock arms, and the mission is simple. I want us all to make more so that we can bless more, and whatever's in our hearts, I want us to be able to give back to friends, families, charities, churches, making the world a better place for all. So it starts right here, right now. And the money that we make, I know that if we go out to eat or we do something, we're going to tip a lot more. And that's part of us giving back. You know what I mean? But anyway, yep. So we come in, we live trade the stock option market and the futures market every single day. And I have a saying that goes like this: I like to day trade for my job. I like to swing trade to help grow my account. I like to use the profits of both to pay the bills and funnel into the retirement shares, all using the same tool that I'm about to show you right now. So I'm going to share with you the trades that we did call out, why we called them out today, and how a lot of people were able to capitalize um, in the markets. First chart you see right here where my star's at. We have two tools we use, Swingmaster Pro AI, and we have our profit pivots, right? What happens is the market, right? The market on these red candles, we expect selling, downward pressure to populate. When the candles turn green, we expect buyers to come in, money being put in, and the market to push to the upside. So today, what we did, right? What I called out. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but I can share with you what I do. And I said I'm taking a trade right here today. Whether you took SPY stock options or ES futures, here was one winning trade, right? Then we waited for a reset to come back, and we were watching this little area consolidating a little bit. Once we got this next green candle right here to the upside, I ended up taking another trade right here, and you see price pushed up to the upside. We got another little pullback, called out another trade right here, came right up here to the upside. I like to tell people, especially new people that start trading, if you get one or two winning trades a day, right here's one, right here's two, guess what? You could be done for the day. We will not win 100% of our trades over time, right? But we do expect to win a lot more than we lose. And typically, based off previous trades, we do see between 75 to 90%, realistically probably 82 to 85% ROI winners. That's a good situation to be in, right? As long as you use proper risk management. So those were the two trades that we called out on the Swingmaster Pro AI. Down here, this is CL futures, Swingmaster Pro AI. You see the arrow. We took the call right here, and price ended up pushing to the upside. Got a nice winner on CL. NQ on this chart, same thing. Candles are red. People shorted that news this morning. I did not. I come in at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I took a call right here. This was my stop out. There's one trade. I took the call here. Here's my stop out. There's two trades. And guess what? We shaking and baking and we done, right? The second tool that you see on here is our profit pivots. And how we trade these is it puts three different levels in the market. We have a huge level down here, we have a midpoint, and then we have an upper level target that we did not see yet. So what we do is we wait for our profit pivots right here, right? Yes, these tools are proprietary to us and our team, but you get to use them as well with us. We come up, we hit this level, we box it in, and we took a short right here. Look what happens. There's a nice winning trade. So on that short down, 51.08, it did hit 57.94. If you got that whole move, which would never happen, but if you did, that's about $350, $400. Could you have went risk free? Yup. My favorite trade is a risk free one. Another trade we boxed in right here. We took the short, and there was another good winner. Same thing over here on NQ with the profit pivots. It works on any asset. We did boxed in right here, and we got a winning trade right there. We did box it in right here, and we got another winning trade right there. Just using that. So that's how we navigated through the markets today. Using some of our tools that we do have. That you're seeing right here on the screen. Tesla, we do have what we call our floor and ceiling technique as well. We did not really get nothing. We wanted to see a little bit break above really this pivot right here. But typically what happens with this is we break the ceiling and then price rocks on to the upside. So we look for that. You know what I'm saying? And then that's on the day trading side. Swing trading side, we did have a couple trades that we did take this week. If I blow up this chart right here and make it bigger and put something on the daily time frame, how this works for my swing traders. If you cannot day trade, that's totally fine as well. Real simplified. Green candle, green arrow, red candle, red arrow. So all these red candle, red arrows, there's a short. Red candle, red arrow, you got stopped out. Red candle, red arrow, short, another short, another short. This one, you got stopped out. Here's a winner to the upside. Here is another winner, another winner, another winner. So that is just one of our tools that we use for the swing trade side using the same system, Swing Master Pro AI. We did not take that one this week, but I was just giving you the bias on that, right? If you look at coin, we did, however, call coin out on a Monday. We were looking forward to get some kind of expansion to the upside. What we also do is these candles that are green, you come down here to a smaller time frame. I'm going to give you a little bit more heat than what I was planning on doing it. And guess what? The candles are still green. Green candle, green arrow, there's a winner. Green candle, green arrow, swing trade, there's a winner. Green candle, green arrow, swing trade, there's a winner. So we're still using the same tool, but we're doing it together. You know what I mean? The last thing that we like to do, we take this same exact principle, and we come here to the weekly time frame, and we take all the buys, right? So if you look at coin, a lot of people bought this IPO right here. We did not. We actually alerted our first buy way down here at 77, and it is at 263 a share right now. A lot of people are in this original buy. The next buy we have right here at 300, it went up to 340, and we are now getting another buy, and this is why I'm sharing with you right now. I will be taking more shares before market closes on coin right here. So that's how we invest. If you are in crypto, right, same exact investing in the stock market side, it's the same thing. Check it out. People thought we were crazy getting a buy signal right here at 10, went up to 34. Another buy signal 26, it went up to 34. I'm waiting for that next buy. So you got one of two things. One, you can buy your investments and just hold it. Or two, you can buy your shares and then sell out once you get up in your desired profits. Typically on the share side, I like to see 10, 20% ROI and then go risk free. Here, there's another winner. My Bitcoin folks, GBTC on the share side. This is an investing standpoint. Our last buy was at $50. It's at 86 right now. If you're watching this, would you be happy with that? You know? So in the end, you heard me say I like to day trade for my job. I like to swing trade to grow my account. And I like to use the profits of both to invest for the long haul, all while using the same exact tool. So with that being said, it is Friday. I just wanted to give you guys a quick trading recap of the signals that I called out today or that I personally took, just so you can go back and if you have the tools, you can utilize it and see what I'm thinking, what I'm doing. If you did miss the live session today, no worries. I got you. With that being said, if you are also seeing this on Facebook or YouTube and you want my free training, the stock market basics 101 that even a third grader could understand, just comment BMT below and I will send you that over. It's completely free. I teach you the basics of the stock market and show you how I trade with an edge and advantage using Swing Master Pro AI. With that being said, you guys have a blessed one. Catch me on the next one. Beast mode out.